Hey, what's up guys? So right here I'm just going to do a quick video of how I have my BulletPoint mounting solution stuff set up here with the Auxbeam, the regular standard holder, and the MagSafe holder right here. I'm shooting all this handheld too, so it might be a tiny bit shaky, but as you guys can see here, there's not much movement at all with this. It's pretty secure. I just stuck a piece of foam under this arm and that arm right there just to eliminate any possible vibrations that you may have. So right here is going to be the 7cm arm. Over here is going to be the MagSafe charger right here, the wireless charger for the phone, which does work. I actually have this wired. I brought the wire up, passed it in right there, and it comes under there. I took the excess, I coiled it up under there, and it ends up coming back up and plugs into the 12-volt power source, which is right there. And in the front right here is where I have the cables routed for the Auxbeam and the WeBoost antenna. Alright, so right here I'm just going to show you guys how I mounted this to the back of the Auxbeam. So I'm going to loosen this up so I can kind of pull this around here. You might be able to see it kind of. So I have the 3M double-sided tape. It doesn't look like it's... Let me just kind of pull this out all the way here. It's not Alright, so as you guys can see, I have the 3M double-sided tape back here. It does an okay job. I basically just cut a piece of the 3M tape, double-sided tape, as you can see right here, to fit into that little groove to bring it flush with the rest of the back of this. And then I just cut a round piece out that's basically the size of the universal ball mount that BulletPoint makes, and I just kind of stuck it on the back. Worst case, if it comes off, I can just retape it on there. I know that they also have Etsy, I believe, has a mount that will interface right into these two holes. It goes across the back, but it uses a ram mount ball size, so I believe it's like a 1-inch ball or something. This is a 20cm or 20mm, I think, or something like that. And you basically just have to get the 20mm to 1-inch ram mount thing from BulletPoint, and it would work. But I wanted to save a few bucks and see if this would work, and it's worked this far. And as you guys can see, it seems to be holding up pretty good. So there it is right here. Like I said, you got the 7cm mount, the Auxbeam in the center, and then the MagSafe on the 7cm mount also. With the Auxbeam, I went with, like I said, the 20mm ball universal mount, stuck it on with the 3M tape, and then I used their, I think it's the 1cm or whatever it is, the mini mount, to just go from the, call it the smaller, I used the smaller mounting base. It's just the 2 screws for that because it's not very big. And as you can see here, I just velcroed the wire on there, the cable, just for some cable management, so there's not like wires everywhere. I mean, it looks pretty clean, especially from the driver's seat point of view, which is like right here. Everything is accessible. I can put my phone here, right here, and then right there is mainly for just a passenger, because this vehicle does have the wireless charging pad, but it kind of sucks. It charges slow, and this charges much faster than that. And it's nice because when we're on longer road trips, my wife can just kind of throw her phone up there and still see the screen, and it will be charging, as opposed to having to put it down here where you can't really touch it once it's on there, and it's kind of finicky because the phone has to be in the right spot. But yeah, that's it right here, guys, and I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you go over to my Instagram and follow me on there, and pretty soon I'll be doing a giveaway. One of these setups will actually be part of the giveaway for a Nissan Frontier owner, 2022 plus Nissan Frontier. They're going to be supplying the phone mount and the RubiGrid base system, so you'll be getting the RubiGrid base system back here, and I think your choice of phone mounts. So just stay tuned for that stuff.